So we have a major piece of big crypto news, and it is in this tweet right here. I'm going to break this down for you, and we're going to talk about this. This is an indicator, an indication that we are in the near future going to see quite possibly a major, massive jump in the crypto market, in the altcoin market. And that's what we're going to talk about in this video. So thanks for giving me a few minutes. I appreciate you as always. Do two things: hit that like, hit that subscribe if you're here on YouTube watching this. And if you're watching this on X, please give me a follow. I greatly would appreciate it. Okay, so let's take a look real quickly where we are at in the crypto market right now as of the recording. Just shy of 2,700,000,000,000. We're up 1.1%. Bitcoin's basically up a point. Ethereum's kind of similar. XRP's up a point. Solana's up 4%. It's the one that is up. We will get to that analysis here in a minute. And here's the other gainers you can see in the crypto market. And here's the other ones that are losing. These are in the top 100, and the percentage gain down or up, respectively. Okay, so this tweet comes from Ox Nobbler, which I am a fan of their content. Great crypto content, chart analysis, things of that nature. So give these guys 100% credit for this. So look, altcoins just hit their first golden cross since 2021. Now, I do know what a golden cross is, but I have looked it up for you so we can have a very simple, very straightforward conversation. So what is a golden cross in trading? You see that right there. It is a base technical indicator that occurs in the market when a short-term moving average, usually a 50-day moving average of an asset rises above a long-term moving average of 200-day. When traders see a golden cross occur, they view this chart pattern as indicative of a strong bull market. This is a good thing. Okay, so going back to this, last time it happened, the whole market pumped 200x in 3 weeks. The next alt season starts on April 21. Don't miss your chance to become a millionaire. And this is the chart looking at that and breaking it down. And you can see that this chart goes back to 2018. And so last time that we had this golden cross appear from a chart technical analysis standpoint, right here where that moving average crossed, and remember that is the 50-day rises above a long term of a 200-day moving average on that chart. Last time we had that in 2021, you can see, look at the massive run we saw up from that. And that was the altcoin market cap just exploded. And now you fast forward that from 21 until now, coming up on April 25, how we're just now seeing that. See it? Okay. The gold that we have, that pattern has done, again, has created another golden cross based off of historical precedent. Boom. That's what we're going to see. Okay. What do you think? Drop in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on this? Do you think, again, this is not me making up content. This is based off of historical precedent. This is the things that we've seen historically. This is how the chart has presented itself. I kind of want to know your opinion. What are your thoughts on this? Again, I'm a big believer in look back from a charting standpoint and kind of take a look at that now, but I'm also a realist. Okay. And so part of it could be, okay, well, what are we thinking we're going to see play out in the respective markets, right? We've had a massive amount of liquidity leave in November and December of 2024. Retail investors fell off the map. I've showed you guys that chart a ton of times. It's over on my Twitter account. Links in the description below if you want to go check it out. All that. And there's definitely a landscape now in crypto where everybody seems to be extremely disinterested and has been for the last 3 or 4 months. We all know it. You can feel it. Every other person I talk to in crypto, I've even talked to people in traditional finance, they're all kind of saying the same. We're all kind of just literally waiting around the room going, okay, when is this going to change? And when is something going to break loose? So to see this come across, literally, no pun intended, to see this golden cross come across, there you go, is very intriguing and very interesting that we are now being presented with this extremely accurate historical chart analysis scenario playing out. Okay. So based off of history, we could start to see literally this week, starting literally on April 21, which today is April 19th. So starting Monday leading into Tuesday, we could see the beginning of this pump. Again, per historical chart analysis. History does not always present and repeat itself, but I will tell you this: crypto is a very historically based uh, moving financial market. It does tend to move respectively associated with its historical patterns. It does. Now we have a little bit of I think new factors in play: President Trump, tariffs, things of that nature. Because quite frankly, we all know, the tariffs and all that kind of stuff took away our Q1 of 2025 bull run. It did, point blank. Usually we have a nice little bull run in kind of that late January, February, March timeframe. That went away. And that went away because of tariffs. That went away because of, all those things we've talked about in a ton of videos. So I'm kind of looking at this golden cross scenario playing out as a glass half full kind of scenario. I'm definitely not a glass half empty guy. I'm more of a glass half full guy. And I'm looking at this going, okay, this is renewing my sense of optimism, to be quite honest with you, and kind of taking a look and seeing how it will play out. So again, I wanted to share this with you, and I think that this is definitely crypto news, and I think that's something to put on all of our respective radars to see how it plays out. And I did retweet this tweet, so you can catch it on my Twitter account. Links in the description below if you want to go check it out. And I appreciate Oxnard for putting together this content. It was awesome. Okay, so before I let you go, you want to make even more money in crypto. Let me show you this. This is my trading indicator that runs on an iPhone. It runs on Android. It runs on your computer. It runs anywhere in the world. You can use it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Look at this right here. Gave a buy alert here, all the way to that 72 days or later, 100%, 800% up. So $2,000 bought here, sold here would have made you a profit of over $16,000 in 72 days. What could you have done differently with an additional $16,000 in your life in less than 4 months? Okay. But it doesn't stop there. It gave a sell alert right there. You see that red box, momentum down. There's a sell alert. And then we got another buy alert came in. And in 17 days, just shy of 20 days, another 200% up. So $2,000 bought again would have made you another $4,000 in profit. So now you're north of $20,000 in profit. We had a sell alert come in. Software said it's not the right time. She's going to drop. We dropped 74%. So it gave you the sell alert so you don't lose everything you just made. Wait for it to come back in. Now we have another buy alert, and that buy alert coming in right there. And now we're up in 12 days, another 100%. So $2,000 bought here would have made you another $2,000 in profit. So a total of $22,000 in profit in a little bit over 4 to 5 months time frame. How much would your life to change using the software? By the way, the software costs a little over $1 a day. That's literally all I'm asking. And I'm giving you the deepest discount I've ever offered ever. So links in the description below this video if you're watching on YouTube. If you're watching this on X, the link's below this video. The link is below this video as well. The quarterly option is the cheapest. There's a discount code down there. The code is SP1, SP1. Use that code at checkout and you get the deepest discount. And then lastly, there's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee. Try the software for in 30 days. You don't like it, you send an email to my support team. You ask for a refund, we'll give it to you. No questions asked, period. So you have zero risk in this. And I just showed you how you could have made a ton of money. And by the way, these opportunities are everywhere. You can chart and look at as many cryptos as you want. You can set up alerts for as many. And by the way, these alerts, they're little pop-ups that'll come up on your phone, like give you an alert. Boom, buy XCN, buy Tesla, buy XRP, sell it respectively. And I said Tesla, yes, it'll work on stocks as well. Buy here, sell there, 70 days, 85%. Sell it, don't take a 50% loss, so forth and so on. Okay. Links in the description below. Give it a look. Take it for a test spin. You have zero risk. And this is how you can make money right now in these turbulent times. And by the way, going back to our chart, what we were talking about, I think, again, we're going to take off. How would you like to know the perfect time to buy and sell respectively and put all that profit in your bank account, in your pocket, so that, you can do more in your life, do more for your family, to accomplish those goals, everything you're trying to do. Okay. Because you're here in crypto, try to make money. I'm offering you a way to help you do that for about $1 a day. That's literally all I'm asking. So don't begrudge me $1 because it can make you a ton of money. At least try it and give it a look. Links are down there. All right. I'll see you. Bye.